If you're a content creator, you already know. Creating music videos takes time, skill, and sometimes a whole team. But what if you could turn your audio, or even just an idea, into a fully visualized music video in minutes? So recently, I decided to test one AI tool that claims it can do exactly that. I uploaded a simple audio track, and within minutes, it generated a full music video with visuals that actually matched the vibe, the rhythm, and even the energy of the sound. Check this insane result.
We could change it all. We don't need a miracle tonight. Just a heart that's open wide. Let's heal the world we're living in. Start with love beneath our skin. Every voice, every soul.
What do you think? Just a few clicks to get something like this. And what surprised me the most? The quality was consistent. So in this video, I'm going to break down step by step how I created this. I'm using Beat Viz AI, an AI-powered music video generator that helps creators, producers, and musicians turn their music into visually engaging videos without complex editing or technical setup. Inside Beat Viz, you get two modes, Simple Mode and Custom Mode. Let's try both. First, Simple Mode. This is perfect for beginners, or if you want a quick result. Just upload your music and let the AI do the work. You can upload from your device, or even link audio from Suno. Then you choose which part of the track you want to turn into a video, either the full duration or just a section. After that, you can describe your video concept, or leave it blank and let the AI decide. For this test, I'll leave it blank. Next, you choose the content mode: storytelling, singing, dancing, or abstract. Each one changes the style of the video. I'll go with singing because I want a character to appear. Then choose your generation mode, standard or pro. I'll use standard with fast generation for this demo. Pick your aspect ratio and preset. Since I want a singer, I'll upload a character image. If you don't have one, you can generate it inside the platform too. You can also define the style, mood, and visual direction, or just let AI handle it. Now here's the interesting part. The AI analyzes the music, its beat, lyrics, and overall theme, and gives you 3 different story concepts. Each one is detailed, so you can choose what fits your idea best. After selecting one, the generation starts. Your music gets split into segments, and the AI generates visuals for each part. You can regenerate or tweak prompts if needed, but honestly, this already looks good. And look at this. The character consistency is actually solid. The same face appears across all scenes, which is impressive. Once everything looks good, we move to video generation. Same thing, you can edit or regenerate. Let's preview it. Nice. I'm happy with this. Now we combine everything, and done. Simple steps, and boom, high quality, consistent music video. Now let's check custom mode. It starts the same. Upload your music and name your project. But here, you get a full timeline editor. On the right, you see your audio timeline. On the left, you have tools to generate images and videos manually. You can choose different AI models for image generation. And for video, you can either use generated images or go straight from text to video. There are even popular AI models you can choose from. Once your clips are ready, just drag and drop them into the timeline and arrange everything based on your music. If you're not sure what to create, there's also an Analyze feature that breaks down your music to help generate ideas. And if you still feel stuck, just go back to Simple Mode and let AI handle everything. Super flexible. On top of that, Beatviz also includes music generation, image generation, and video generation tools. So if you don't even have music yet, you can create it inside the platform. You can go with simple mode for quick results, or custom mode if you want full control, like choosing instruments, style, and even writing your own lyrics. So yeah, after trying this, I can honestly say this tool is pretty crazy. If you want to try it yourself, I've put the link in the description. Go test it out and see what you can create. And if you do try it, let me know what you make. I'm curious to see your results.